The sun is shining, the roof is down. This is the Ferrari Portofino. My name's Amir and welcome to today's video where we're going to be looking at full PPF on these vehicles. Now, this client came to us with an issue. He'd had PPF done by a previous company, however, it had done its job. He had scratched the bottom of the car and he needed that fixed. Luckily, the PPF had protected the car and saved him a whole lot of money. On vehicles like this, all the lower areas are carbon on the side skirts, the front splitter and the rear diffuser. These are really heavy areas that do get damaged very, very often and do need to be protected. So as I mentioned, he had PPF on the car already. However, when he scratched it, he was doing a road trip down in Italy and he managed to scratch that PPF on some rocks and stones. So what we have done here is remove that PPF and also reapply the exact same type of film onto those areas to really, again, protect this vehicle as much as we can. They're lovely cars and this color is absolutely stunning, but of course they do have to be protected. So if you're not aware of what PPF is or how it all works, I'll give you a quick overview. So essentially it is a clear film that goes over the bodywork of the car to protect the paintwork from these scratch damages, but also just extend the life of the paintwork. A little bit like a screen protector for your phone, it protects the paintwork of your vehicle. It is parked outside, it is open to the elements, and protecting it is really, really important against sun damage, but also any physical damage that could harm it. So for example, this client ended up on a rally and they actually went a bit off-road and that's where they scraped the bottom of their car. But even things like speed bumps, curbs, anything on the road, it will protect the paintwork from any damage like that. Now, on vehicles like this, as I mentioned, you have carbon fiber in a lot of the lower areas and actually in the areas that are more likely to get hit. So again, protecting that is a really, really important part because carbon fiber is, as you probably know, extremely expensive to repair if it can be, but most of the time it does need to be replaced. Whereas in this case, the client was saved from that ordeal by having the PPF applied. Now, here at CBS Automotive, PPF is a really, really important job for us and one that we take a lot of time, care to get done properly. Now, PPF jobs can vary in their costs and timescales, but we always make sure the job is done perfectly. And yes, that does take a little bit longer, but we would rather have it absolutely spot on. This car has been fitted with the Expel paint protection film, one of the best on the market, giving you a really nice kind of view of the car, not affecting the paintwork or the color, but again, providing ultimate protection for your vehicle. Now, we have a few different packages for PPF, starting off with a front pack. Now, that will include the front bumper of the vehicle, the bonnet, the front wings, and your mirrors. And again, just gives you a basic protection as you're driving from any stone chips or anything that might come up and hit your vehicle. Now, the step on from that is a very, very popular package and one that we call the track pack. So everything I've mentioned there, as well as the A-pillars, the lower sills along the bottom here and coming up to the rear arches. Again, all of the kind of most prone and most likely areas to be hit by stone chips or any debris on the road, protecting those as best as we can. Now, there is an option to add on a windscreen protection. Really, really clever bit of kit. Doesn't give you any smears or weird things when it's wiping, but is a really nice way to help reduce the risk of getting stone chips and cracks in your windscreens. On these cars, they are low to the ground, so you are much more susceptible to having stone chips, having cracks in your windscreen coming up, flinging from the tires from cars in front of you. So having that windscreen protection added on is really, really important. Another benefit of having full coverage, especially on a car like this, is it gives you a full protection over any scratches, marks, any door dings that might go into it. It will help protect you. Now, one, it obviously makes it a lot better in terms of getting rid of those scratches and those micro scratches while washing. Again, it's much easier to get off. Just with a little bit of heat, it can actually have some self-healing properties. PPF is a no-brainer for your vehicle. Now, most cars, when we're doing PPF, do require a full detail beforehand. And that's something we do all the time here as a standalone product, but also every time we're doing PPF, we always make sure to detail those specific areas. That involves a decontamination wash, clay bar, some cases, some polishing that needs to go on, just to make sure the paint that we are protecting is absolutely perfect. That prep stage is really, really vital to getting a really nice finish on that PPF and getting it looking as good as it can. Now, as you can see on this car, we have gloss PPF, but there are a few other options. So for example, this one is gloss, but you can add on an option to make it satin PPF, giving your car a little bit of a different look, kind of creating that matte slash frozen paint look that does really suit some cars and some certain colors, but is a really nice option to add on to vehicles like this. Now, you can also do color change PPF. I don't know if you've heard too much about that, but it does give you the option to change the color of your vehicle completely, and that is also an option that we can offer here at CBS Automotive. But this clear PPF is by far the most popular, then followed by the satin PPF. Now, if you've enjoyed today's video, please feel free to subscribe to the channel for plenty more videos on security upgrades, dash cameras, Apple CarPlay, so many more upgrades we can add to your vehicle. So please do have a look on the channel for the other videos, and I hope you enjoy. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.